Nice and lovely, guys. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. You know, the last time I make some dumpling, guys, you know what I mean, I did call it wheelbarrow dumpling. So someone said to me, because this person who talked to me, I know he's must from Jamaica, yeah? And he said to me, Chef Ricardo, what is wheelbarrow dumpling? That's it from Jamaica. And I said, yeah, Jamaican style, man. But this one gonna be construction dumpling. And there's a lot of video on my YouTube channel show you how to make the dough. So I did mix up the dough earlier, and it come to my mind and I said I could share the fans about this one also too. In Jamaica, you know what I mean, we had a talk about construction dumpling, wheelbarrow dumpling. But anyway, when I make my dough, the dough for my dumpling, I normally cover it like this and leave it for it to rest. That's the best way to make dumpling. And then I just leave it for about 20 minutes inside of the container. So when you see, you can feel the dough feel different now. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. So we're gonna show you something again. This is just amazing recipe, guys. This thing, construction dumpling. It's a wicked thing. In Jamaica, that's how we normally call them. Construction dumplings. So basically, when you mix up the dough, you know, you just leave it in the bowl and wrap it for about 20 minutes. So you can feel the dough, it rests, so it feels totally different, alright? Anyway, so as you can see, the dough looks so lovely and nice. We're gonna just break them off like this, put them back in the bowl. You can feel how the dumpling feel nice. So this dumpling, yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make the construction dumpling. Construction dumpling is a wicked thing, guys. Back in Jamaica when I was young, man, I grew up. Come up, you'll have to break off a big thick piece of the dough like this one, and then what you're gonna do, put it in the hand of your palm of your hand like this, and take your time and just keep folding it around. This is even too small, so then put another piece on it and take a little time and fold it around like this, and like this and like this. So all them kind of dumpling now nice to go with some curry chicken back. And as you can see how it form come around like a ball. So that's the way how it look. Look at that. And then I just give it all a nice little press like this. Alright? Nice one. So this is exactly what we're talking about. Construction dumpling. This even too small too. Let's do another one just to give you an idea. So we get 2 pieces of dough like this. Put in a palm of your hand like this. And take your time and fold it around. But let's put piece more dough. Really nice. Look at that. Take a little time and fold it around. Fold it around, fold it around. And then, yeah. Them dumpling, I tell you, is a wicked thing in Jamaica, man. Construction dumpling. Look at that. Alright. Alright. So basically, we're going to cook this one. Alright, I'm going to put this one in the pot. Nice one. Alright. Lovely. So this one is construction dumpling, as I can see. Really big and nice. And I want to simply say to you, say, this take about 20 to 30 minutes to cook because it's so massive because I don't want to eat raw dumpling, anyway. Alright, we're going to cook this big one, alright? And when you cook, we will show you how it look. Alright? Nice one. Water boil up. I say you have to make the water boil up, you know. So as I say, we're going to cook this massive one, alright? That's the construction dumpling we are putting in the pot. Alright? Then we're going to put in some normal one. But honestly, guys, I'll tell you something. In Jamaica, yeah? Jamaican dumpling is the best. And when you're making Jamaican dumpling, you can't have long fingernail. You know what I mean? Look at that. Beautiful. So we're going to cook them there for about 25 minutes. And you can put a little bit of. The best thing when you're making dumpling, and you're going to make the water boil up first. That's the best way, alright? Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely, guys. Anyway, as I said, construction dumpling. These are the little sisters. These are the big boys. Here it is. Look at the big boy. Yo, you swag. Yo, you know the swag in that kitchen. Dumpling jump out of the pot. and jump right on the working surface. Remember me tell you that. And the big boy that. See big boy, yeah? And his brother and sister them there around him. I want dead today. Video man. You see what I go out of the kitchen today. Mad thing. Anyway. Yeah. So brother and sister there around him are cooking in the meantime, and this is the big brother. Construction dumpling. The other day we do some wheelbarrow dumpling, a mad thing, man. Yeah. So we're gonna leave this, make it cook for roughly about 25 minutes in the pot, you know. That'll take a little time for cook us and the big boy, you know. And just enjoy. Here guys, we love it. Yeah. Nice and lovely guys. Roughly about 25 minutes now since I have it boiling like that. Look at that. Look at that. Lovely boiling going on inside here. Then let's look for the big boy. See there? And the brothers and sisters them in there cooked too. This is it right here. This is exactly what we're talking about. Construction dumpling. Alright? So basically this can serve with our saltfish, some curry chicken back, stew chicken or curry chicken or oxtail. Whatever you like to serve it with, you can serve it with, guys. And I will put the link below how to make the dough. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.